What's up to my friends on YouTube? And today we're going back to my Cut the Rope walkthroughs, walking you through level 21 on Cut the Rope Cardboard Box, essentially the 21st level of the game. If you needed help on any other levels throughout the Cut the Rope game, check my playlist on my channel or just look through my channel and you will see all of my videos for every single level eventually coming out soon. And hopping into this level, you may or may not see this prompt come up right here, asking you to use the magnet and just kind of try it out, its features. This is not really going to destroy how this level is played. All you really do is just cut the side ropes and the middle ropes at the same time down the middle. And then the candy is gonna rise up in the bubble, and then you're gonna pop it once you get that star at the top. So you could rise back, or you could go back down again and get that star at the bottom, and then you will have the full 3-star, getting that 3rd star coming back to the top. That's pretty much all there is to it though for level 21. Like I said, if you needed help on any other level, there's a full playlist on my channel, and if you did have any questions or were confused at all on how to do any of these levels, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that though, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.